Residents of this exclusive guard-gated community enjoy association pools, spas and tennis courts. This property is located close to shopping, dining and entertainment. Enter the double doors to luxury living in this highly upgraded and customized home. A grand formal living room showcases an exquisite marble fireplace. A fabulous gourmet kitchen features the finest stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and a large center island. A fireplace creates a cozy feeling in this open, spacious room. Graced by extensive built-ins and handsome wood paneling, the secluded office provides a tranquil refuge. This enchanting home offers 4 spacious bedrooms. His and her walk-in closet and secluded balcony are special features saved solely for the master suite. Spacious and private, the master bath offers elegant granite countertops, dual sinks and a separate dressing area. This astounding residence was impeccably designed to take advantage of the surrounding views. The view-oriented backyard is an entertainer's dream with a built-in spa. A tranquil pond completes this peaceful setting. Please contact the agent for further information on this wonderful property.